This is a demonstration for the CPE 329 Project 1 combination lock. So right now we have the board running the lock program, and as you can see, if I put in the correct combo, it shows hello world, and it asks you to press the pound key for a new combo. We'll show you that later. If I press any other key, it'll return to the main screen. If I press the wrong combination, it clears the screen and prompts for another combination, and I can do that a couple times. If I press the wrong combination 3 times in a row, it'll lock you out for 10 seconds. And lastly, if I press the correct combination and go into the pound key, it'll allow me to add a new combination. For now, I'll set it to 1, 2, 5, 8. And now, as you can see, the old combo doesn't work, and the new combo does work.